Good morning students, welcome to the next video trigonometric equation class 2. So before starting, first we start Brahmanad. शांति शांति शांति. Susta. Today we are going to discuss how to find the general solution of trigonometric equation tan theta equal to tan alpha, cot theta equal to cot alpha, sin square theta equal to sin square alpha, cos square theta equal to cos square alpha, and tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. And it's a problem. Last class we are already discussed what is a trigonometrical equation and what are its solution. One is a general solution, other is a principal solution. And what is a general solution of sin theta equal to 0? You know general solution of sin theta equal to 0 means theta is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z side. Cos theta equal to 0 means its general solution theta is equal to odd multiple of 90, that is at 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z side. Tan theta is equal to 0, general solution of tan theta equal to 0 is theta is equal to n pi, and cot theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Next, sin theta is equal to k. K can be converted into sin alpha, where alpha belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That is the general solution of sin theta is equal to sin alpha, where theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. Next, cos theta is equal to k, where k lies in between closed interval minus 1 to 1, and this k can be expressed in term of cos, that is cos alpha. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha, where alpha belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. In such case, its general solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to z side. Okay. Today we will discuss how to find the general solution of tan theta is equal to k. General solution tan theta equal to k. What is k? You know the maximum value and minimum value of tan theta does not exist. Okay, that means maximum value is plus infinite and minimum value is minus infinite. So whatever may be the value of k, the value of tan theta is possible. Okay, so tan theta is equal to k means here first we express tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Okay, so how to express? Let alpha be an angle whose tan value is k, that is tan alpha is equal to k. So tan alpha is equal to k. What is k? Where k less than or equal to infinite, less than infinite, and minus infinite. What is k? K is tan alpha, that is tan alpha less than infinite and greater than minus infinite. Okay, so tan alpha lies in between minus infinite to infinite. What is alpha? So alpha tan inverse infinite and tan inverse minus infinite. You know tan inverse infinite means tan inverse is an angle, okay, whose tan value is infinite, tan 90. So tan inverse is equal to tan inverse infinite means for which value of theta, that is tan theta is equal to infinite. Tan को value infinite of 90. Tan को value minus infinite, so minus 90. That is this is a pi by 2 and this is a minus pi by 2. तो अल्फा लेस देन पाई बाई 2 and greater than minus pi by 2. Okay, so tan theta is equal to k, where tan theta is equal to k. This can be expressed k is equal to tan alpha. So tan theta is equal to tan alpha, where alpha belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so how to find its general solution? Has to convert sin by cos, that implies sin theta by cos theta minus sin alpha by cos alpha is equal to 0, that implies sin theta into cos alpha minus cos theta into sin alpha by cos theta by cos theta into cos alpha is equal to 0. That implies sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is a sin of theta minus alpha is equal to 0. Okay, so sin theta cos alpha minus cos theta sin alpha is equal to 0 into cos theta cos alpha. This will be 0. So sin of theta minus alpha is equal to 0 means, you know, sin theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to n pi. So theta minus alpha is equal to n pi. That implies theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z side and alpha belongs to minus 90 to 90. So the general solution, therefore general solution of tan theta is equal to tan alpha is theta equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z side. Okay, next we find general solution of cot theta is equal to k. Next, general solution of cot theta is equal to k. Okay, so cot theta is equal to k means how to find its general solution? First, you have to find alpha where cot theta is equal to k. So what is the value of k? You know the maximum value and the minimum value of cot theta does not exist. That means k, whatever may be the value of cot theta is possible. So let alpha be an angle where cot alpha is equal to k, but k less than infinite, greater than minus infinite. So this is equal to cot alpha less than infinite and greater than minus infinite, and this is equal to cot inverse minus infinite. Okay, is less than cot inverse infinite. You know cot inverse infinite means cot को value infinite होगा, तो cot को value infinite, this is equal to 0. You know cot 0 is equal to infinite because cot 0 means cos 0 by sin 0, and cot inverse minus infinite, this is equal to pi. So alpha belongs to 0 to pi because cot 0 is infinite. Okay, and cot pi is minus infinite. So alpha belongs to 0 to pi. Okay, that means cot theta is equal to k. What is k? So k is equal to cot alpha, k equal to cot alpha. Then k is equal to cot alpha. Okay, that is cot theta is equal to k. So k is equal to cot alpha, where alpha belongs to 0 to pi, open interval 0 to pi. You know cot theta is equal to cot alpha. That implies cot theta means this is equal to 1 by tan theta. Cot alpha means 1 by tan alpha. Okay, so this is equal to tan theta, or you can also convert Sin by cos. So you can also convert to sin by cos, that is a cos theta means cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta minus cos alpha by sin alpha, okay, is equal to 0. Taking left side, that implies sin theta into sin alpha, here cos theta into sin alpha minus sin theta into cos alpha is equal to 0, and this is equal to, take it a minus common, so cos theta into sin alpha minus sin theta into cos alpha is equal to 0. So this is the formula, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, that implies sin of alpha minus theta is equal to 0, okay. So sin of alpha minus theta is equal to 0 means this is equal to minus of sin of theta minus alpha, because if we taking minus common in angle, so sin of alpha minus theta is equal to sin of minus of theta minus alpha, and you know sin of theta minus alpha is equal to minus sin theta minus alpha is equal to 0, that implies sin of theta minus alpha is equal to 0. So theta minus alpha is equal to what? Theta minus alpha is equal to n pi, and theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z set. Okay. So cot theta is equal to cot alpha. Its general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. So general solution of tan theta is equal to tan alpha and cot theta is equal to cot alpha are equal. Here theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. तेणु tan theta is equal to k थिबो तमे ताको tan alpha स्टाइल एक्सप्रेस करियो अल्फा बेला -90 to 90 भितर रखिबो तार जनरल सॉल्यूशन डायरेक्ट फार्मूला पकेबो सेडी जे थीटा इज इक्वल टू n पाई प्लस अल्फा बा cot थीटा इज इक्वल टू जदी cot अल्फा अछि तमे डायरेक्ट आको tan रे कन्वर्ट कर पारियो ना नहीं और तमे cot थीटा इज इक्वल टू नंबर थियो बोल ताको cot अल्फा रे फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेस करियो अल्फा बिलोंग्स टू ओपन इंटरवल 0 to pi. Okay, open interval 0 to pi, then cot theta is equal to cot alpha means its general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Next, its example, we will do some problem using tan theta is equal to tan alpha and cot theta is equal to cot alpha. Okay, find the general solution of general solution of tan theta is equal to -1 by root 3. Number 2, cot 2 theta is equal to root 3. Okay, so tan theta is equal to answer. Tan theta is equal to -1 by root 3. First you have to write here tan theta is equal to k, means first we express tan theta is equal to tan alpha. No, alpha belongs to -90 to 90 degree. So whose tan value is -1 by root 3. So clearly this is a tan minus 30 degree. You know tan of -30 degree is equal to -tan 30 degree, and tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So tan theta is equal to -1 by root 3 means this is equal to tan of -5 by 6, and this is of form tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Then you apply direct formula, theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, this is equal to -5 by 6, and this is equal to 6 n pi minus pi by 6. So this is 6n minus 1 into pi by 6, where n belongs to z set. This is the general solution of tan theta is equal to -1 by root 3, theta is equal to 6n minus 1 into pi by 6. Okay. Next, number 2, cot 2 theta. So cot 2 theta is equal to root 3. Here also you express cot theta is equal to cot alpha. First we take alpha. What is alpha? Alpha belongs to 0 to pi, whose cot value is root 3. तो cot रो को value root 3 होबो, naturally this is also so root 3. Okay, this is equal to, so root 3 means this is equal to 60, sorry, cot 30. So cot 30 is equal to what? Root 3. Cot 30 is equal to root 3. This is also cot 30 because cot 30 means sin 30 by cos 30. Sin 30 root 3 by 2. Sin 30. So sin. So this is cos 60. Sorry. Cot 2 theta is equal to root 3. Root 3 means this is the cos 60 because cot 60 means cos 60 by sin 60. Cos 60 equal to what? So cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. This is 30. Okay. So cos sorry pi by 6. Pi by 6 माने 30. Cot 30 होची root 3. Cot 30 means cos 30 by sin 30. Cos 30 होची root 3 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. So 2 to cancel, that is root 3. So cot 2 theta is equal to root 3. This is equal to cot pi by 6. And this is of the form cot theta is equal to cot alpha. Okay, you know cot theta is equal to cot alpha means theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. So theta in place of theta here 2 theta is there. So 2 theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Alpha means pi by 6 where n belongs to z set. So this is equal to 6n plus 1 into pi by 6. So 2 theta is this one, that implies theta is equal to 6n plus 1 into pi by 12. Pi by 12 where n belongs to z set. Okay, so the general solution of cot 2 theta is root 3 is theta is equal to 6n plus 1 into pi by 12. तेणु प्रथम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करिया गले प्रथम ताको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्रिएट करियो. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्रिएट कला पर तार सॉल्यूशन फार्मूला पकई तुम बाहर करिवो. ओके, सो दिस इज द जनरल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ cot 2 theta is root 3. Find the general solution of sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. Number 2, cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. Tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. If square is not, then we have the formula sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha, where alpha belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here also, if cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then its general solution theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where alpha belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. Tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. If tan theta is equal to tan alpha, here the general solution theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where alpha belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But here square is there, so how to find its general solution? Like that, sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, cos square theta equal to cos square alpha, and tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. आमर जो ये स्क्वायर नथिला आम जनरल सॉल्यूशन बाहर कर देचे. बर्तमान ये स्क्वायर अच्छी ए तीन टाकर फॉर्मूला गोटे हम. ऑल आर इक्वल जनरल सॉल्यूशन. देख केमती हम आंसर sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. You know the multiple angle sin square theta means this is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, and this is also 1 minus sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. So this is 1 minus cos 2 alpha by 2. Okay, here 2 to cancel, that implies cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 alpha la. 2 to cancel, 1 1 cancel, minus minus cancel है. तो cos 2 theta is equal to cos alpha. You know cos theta is equal to cos alpha means theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Like that, 2 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha means here 2 alpha is there. So taking 2 common, that implies theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. So general solution of sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, where alpha belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. But in case of cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, what happened? So cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. Here also you apply the multiple angle formula. Cos square theta means you know 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Here 1 plus cos 2 alpha by 2, 2 to cancel. 1 cancel, that implies cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 alpha. So 2 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay, that implies theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. ना ना रे जो sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha रोची बा cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha रोची तार जनरल सॉल्यूशन कौन थीटा इज इक्वल टू n पाई प्लस और माइनस अल्फा हम और जो tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha रे कौन हम tan square theta equal to tan square alpha third number. तो tan square theta means this is equal to here denominator is 1 ना नहीं by component and dependent formula this is equal to that implies also मुझे को reciprocal कर दी 1 by tan square theta is equal to 1 by tan square alpha 1 by tan square alpha by using component and dependent formula. Then what happen? So this is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay, so here what we do, देखो tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha in the denominator is nothing means 1 is there, denominator किसी ना बोले एक अच्छी ना नहीं कहलो एक अच्छी तो tan square theta by 1 is equal to tan square alpha by 1 हला मु बोथ साइड रेसिप्रोकल नहीं बोली आपको उल्टे देली 1 by tan square theta equal to 1 by tan square alpha हला. Here we use the component and dependent formula a by b is equal to c by d. Component and dependent formula कौन a minus b by a plus b is equal to c minus d by c plus d. So it is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Here 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha, and this is the formula of what cos 2 theta, and this is equal to what cos 2 alpha. Okay, so cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 alpha, that implies 2 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, 2n pi plus or minus 2 alpha. Okay, that is here also here theta theta. So this is 2 alpha and this is 2 alpha, so theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Here by taking 2 common, so theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. So all these general solution have a one solution, that is sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, or cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, or tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha, or cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. All are same general solution, that is equal to theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay, देखो स्क्वायर थाई रि हमें कहले स्क्वायर नथिले भी हमर जनरल सॉल्यूशन फार्मूला में डेरिवेशन करथिले. फॉर एग्जांपल फाइंड द जनरल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ sin square theta is equal to 1 by 4. For example, find the general solution of sin square theta equal to 1 by 4. Number 2, tan square theta is equal to 1 by 3. Number 3, cos square 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, cos square 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. Answer. Sin square theta equal to 1 by 4. That implies here square is there, means you have to convert sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. जदि स्क्वायर अच्छी माने तमें ताको कौन करियो sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, बा स्क्वायर यूज न करी कले भी हबो तमें sin theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by कौन हबो 2 हबो ना नहीं डायरेक्ट कले भी हबो स्क्वायर फार्मूला यूज करी कले भी हबो. So here you write sin square theta is equal to 1 by 4 means this is the 1 by 2 रो square. So you convert to sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Sin रो को value 1 by 2. This is equal to 30. Sin 30 होची 1 by 2 नहीं कि तो this is pi by 6. Pi by 6 रो square. So sin square theta is equal to sin square pi by 6. Okay. here we use the formula sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. Alpha means pi by 6. So theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha means pi by 6 where n belongs to z set. Okay, do you understand? और तुम्हें एमदी भी कले भी है पारिबो, और यू कैन आल्सो sin theta is equal to plus or minus 1/2. So plus or minus 1/2 means this is equal to plus or minus, देखो 1/2 आसिला minus 1/2 आसिला, so you can write as sin of plus or minus pi by 6, because sin pi by 6 is 1/2, sin minus pi by 6 is equal minus 1/2. So sin theta is equal to sin of plus or minus pi by 6. So here we apply the formula sin theta is equal to sin alpha. You know sin theta is equal to sin alpha means theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. So theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. Alpha means plus or minus pi by 6 where n belongs to z set. Hala? So one can write in this way, this is also correct. One can write in another way, this is also correct. एटा करेक्ट हम, एटा भी करेक्ट हम. एमदी कले एमदी आसीबो, एमदी ए फॉर्मूला पकले एटा आइबो. एटा बोथ आर करेक्ट. एज योर विश, तमे जेमदी कले भी सॉल्व कले भी हे पारिबो. बुझिलो ना? किछ डाउट रहउछ कि? ओके. सो तनो इफ द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन आर नॉट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म माने आमे जति फॉर्मूला देखले ऑल आर द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला. तनो जोडा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म लथिबो, देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कन्वर्ट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. कहीं स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म आइला के तुम फॉर्मूला यूज कर पारियो ना नहीं. और सब आल्फार भैल्यूटा बाहर करवाटा हूँ इम्पोर्टेंट. आल्फार को भीतर रहा दरकार, से भीतर रखी तुम्हें ताकू स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म रे क्रिएट करियो. क्रिएट कला पर तुम्हें फॉर्मूला पकई बाहर करियो. ओके. नेक्स्ट अनदर क्वेश्चन दैट इज नंबर 2. हियर tan square theta equal to 1/3. So 1/3 means you have to write this is 1/√3 rho square and this is equal to tan 30 degree. Okay, so tan this is pi by 6 rho square and theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha means pi by 6 and n is equal to z set. So tan square theta is equal to 1/3 equal to 1/√3 square equal to tan square pi by 6, because tan 30 is 1/√3. So tan square theta equal to tan square alpha, theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay. So next one is cos square 2 theta. So cos square 2 theta is equal to 1/2. So 1/2 means here write at third number. Here write this is equal to 1/√2 rho square. Okay. So 1/√2 rho square means you can write cos square pi by 4. Because cos pi by 4 is 1/√2. So cos square 2 theta is equal to cos square pi by 4. So this is of the form cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. Eta co style loila. Cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha style loila na. So here use the formula kono theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. But here theta in place of theta 2 theta is there. So 2 theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha means pi by 4. So 2 theta is equal to, this is 4n plus or minus 1 into pi by 4. That implies theta is equal to 4n plus or minus 1 into pi by 8 where n belongs to z set. Okay. So you can apply the trigonometrical equations either sin square theta equal to sin square alpha or cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, tan square theta equal to tan square alpha, or sin theta is equal to sin alpha. So first you make standard form, then you apply the trigonometrical formula. Okay. Next we do some problems. So how to find the general solution of the trigonometrical equation? So for the principal solution, how to find the principal solution? Okay. So for principal solution, first you have to find the general solution. Okay. Then put n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and okay. The value of theta not greater than 360 degree. जेमती कि थीटा रो वैल्यूटा 360 रु ग्रेटर हबनी हैला. तेणु 360 रु अधिक न हैला जाए तुम एन जगह 0, 1, 2 पकेब एंड दैट वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा that are the value of theta must be less than 360 degree. So these all values are known as a principal solution. Okay, so for principal solution, first we find general solution, then put n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot where theta are not greater than 360 degree. जमती थीटार वैल्यू कौन हम 360 टू ग्रेटर हम ना ना नहीं जदि थीटार वैल्यू 360 टू ग्रेटर हो सब्स्टिट्यूट करने आवश्यक ना. So these all values of theta, so these values of theta lies in between close interval 0 to 2 pi open are called principal solution, okay. So now we do problems of the study material number 2. First we do short type question, then after short we do very short type question, that is the multiple choice question. So first आम short type question करिया, short type question सरला पर आम very short question करिया ना नहीं. अच्छा, number 2 देछि find the principal solution of the following equation. Number 2, find the principal solution. Number 1, sin square theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 by 4. So in whatever may be the trigonometrical equation of the form, तेनो trigonometrical equation दा जेमदी फॉर्म रहना कहीं फास्ट आम ताको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म को क्रिएट करिया पड़ो. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म माने एदर sin theta is equal to sin alpha or cos theta is equal to cos alpha or tan theta is equal to tan alpha. एमदी फॉर्म कन्वर्ट करियो तार जनरल सॉल्यूशन बाहर कला पर प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन हमें बाहर करिया. अच्छा देखो ये sin square theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 by 4 अच्छे ना नहीं. तो कौन करिया ये sin square theta first we write sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, that implies minus cos square theta minus cos theta plus 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. That implies here this is equal to minus cos square theta minus cos theta plus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Taking LCM, so this is a minus 4 cos square theta. Okay, so taking minus as a common, that implies minus cos square theta plus cos theta minus 3 by 4, this is equal to 0. Then again that implies cos square theta plus cos theta minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Then this will be 4 cos square theta plus 4 cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so which is a quadratic equation in term of cos theta. Now to solve cos theta, so how to solve? Either you can factorize or by using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now we factorize this equation. So multiplication is a minus 12 cos square theta and addition is 4 cos theta. So this is equal to 4 cos square theta plus 6 cos theta minus 2 cos theta. If we multiply these two terms, we will get a minus 12 cos square theta and addition of these two terms is equal to 4 cos theta. तमें इक्वेशन टाकू एदर मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट करि पारियो बा फॉर्मूला पकई मध्य करि पारियो x इक्वल टू माइनस b प्लस और माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac जोड़ा फैक्टराइजेशन हबोनी सेठी फॉर्मूला पका दरकार. ओके, तो 6 cos थीटा माइनस 2 cos थीटा माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. एडी कोन करियो और 2 cos थीटा कॉमन ले जो. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 cos theta plus 3 minus 1 the common le, this is the 2 cos theta plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, that implies 2 cos theta plus 3 into 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies 2 cos theta plus 3 equal to 0. One thing is 0, or 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. As a 2 cos theta plus 3 is equal to 0 means this is cos theta is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2. So minus 1 minus 3 by 2 means this is a minus 1 by 5. So minus 1 by 5 which is less than minus 1. And minus 1 to san hochi. So there is no value of theta. There is no value of theta where cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 5. So theta is impossible. Here theta is impossible. It means cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 2 means minus 1 by 5 is impossible. That is theta. Here theta is impossible. Theta is impossible. Okay. Next 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Since we ask principal solution, so in the principal solution first we find the general solution. So theta is equal to what? Here cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 means first you have to write cos theta is equal to cos alpha. जो cos theta equal to 1 by 2 रहा तमें ताको को फॉर्म लिखियो cos theta equal to cos alpha फॉर्म लिखिया पड़ियो. What is alpha? Alpha is an angle whose cos value is 1 by 2 and that angle must be belongs to 0 to pi. तेणु प्रथमे तुम cos theta equal cos alpha स्टाइल लिखा पड़ो. आल्फा रो भैल्यूटा 0 to 180 भितर रहा पड़ो. तेणु 0 to 180 भितर cos रो को 1 by 2 हम naturally 60. So this is equal to cos 60 degree means this is pi by 3. And cos theta equal to cos alpha है. तो theta is equal to क्या 2n pi plus or minus alpha बोले कौन हम pi by 3. तो 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Okay. Next we substitute n is equal to 0. First हम कौन करिया बे n जाके 0 पकेबा. Then 1 पकेबा हला. Where n belongs to z side. N belongs to z side. For n is equal to 0, n टा 0 पकेले थीटा होची कोन होची n जाके 0 पकेले तो 2n pi means 0 हला. 0 plus or minus pi by 3. तो plus or minus pi by 3 means only pi by 3 टा calculate करा हबो ना नहीं, because minus pi by 3 is not lies in between 0 to 360 degree. n टा 1 पकेले थीटा कोन होची 2n pi means कोन होची 2 pi plus or minus pi by 3 हबो. एले गोटे हबो गोटे आसीओ तुमरो केता आसीओ 2 pi minus pi by 3 गोटे आसीबो आउ another value. Then other is 2 pi plus pi by 3. 2 pi plus pi by 3 is not count because which is greater than 360 degree. And 2 pi minus pi by 3. Pi by 3 means this is equal to what? 2 pi here 3 6 pi minus 5. So this is 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3 means 300 degree because this is the 60 into 5 300 degree. Next for n is equal to 2, what happen? For n is equal to 2, then theta is equal to what? n जब हमें 2 पकेबा 2 into 2 pi, so this is equal to 4 pi. 4 pi plus or minus pi by 3. 4 pi plus pi by 3 which is greater than 360 degree. 4 pi minus pi by 3 which is also greater than 360 degree. So these are not count. So what are the principal solution? One is pi by 3 and other is 5 pi by 3. Therefore principal solution is the principal solution are pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3. So there are two solutions which are the principal solution. Okay. Next we do another question, that is the cos x plus sin x is equal to 1 by root 2. So there is another trigonometrical equation, that equation which is of the form a sin x plus b cos x is equal to c. So how to solve the trigonometrical equation of the form a sin x plus b cos x plus c? Okay, after find this general solution, then we do another problem. So now we will discuss the general solution of a sin x plus b cos x is equal to c. How to find the general solution of a sin x plus b cos x is equal to c. For all x belongs to R, for all x belongs to R, a b belongs to R also. A is a constant, b is a constant. A b belongs to R, and the value of c, you know already, a sin x plus b cos x, for maximum and minimum value, we convert a sin x plus b cos x is equal to r into sin of x plus theta, where r is equal to root over a square plus b square and theta is equal to tan inverse b by a, tan inverse b by a. A is the coefficient of sin and b is the coefficient of cos. So a sin x plus b cos x, its maximum value is root over a square plus b square and its minimum value is minus root over a square plus b square. That means its solution is exist if c must be lie in between closed interval minus root over a square plus b square to root over a square plus b square. ये जो ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन अच्छी ए sin x plus b cos x is equal to c, sin रो कोफिशिएंट होची a, cos रो कोफिशिएंट होची b. c रो वैल्यूटा को भीतर रहया दरकार ना माइनस रूट ओवर a square plus b square to plus root over a square plus b square. Okay, so where a comma b belongs to R and c must be c da less than equal to root over a square plus b square and greater than equal to minus root over a square plus b square. Do you understand? A sin x plus b cos x is equal to c रो solution टा केते बेले पॉसिबल हबो जेतलो c रो वैल्यू टा root over a square plus b square minus root over a square plus b square ए भीतर रहबा दरकार. जदि c रो वैल्यू root over a square plus b square to greater रही होची बा minus root over a square plus b square to smaller होची, the solution does not exist. ओके, आमे सेड भी डिस्कशन करथिले जे a sin x plus b cos x is equal to r into sin of x plus theta, because if we substitute a is equal to r cos theta, b is equal to r sin theta, we will get r into sin of x plus theta. कहेंगे ना a sin x plus b cos x को maximum minimum value, in order to find maximum and minimum value, first we express this trigonometrical equation either sin or cos. If we convert in term of sin, then it will be r into sin of x plus theta. But if we convert a sin x plus b cos x in term of cos, जदि तुम एटा को cos रे convert करिया पड़ियो, cos रे convert करले here you can take a is equal to r sin theta. एडी करना पड़ियो a is equal to r sin theta and b is equal to r cos theta, because you know cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, जेतु दीटा को cos रहया दरकार दीटा को sin रहया दरकार सेथि पई. So here we take do you understand, if a sin x plus b cos x, if we express a sin x plus b cos x in term of cos, then what we do, here we take a is equal to a r sin theta and b is equal to r cos theta, where a square plus b square is equal to r square and theta is equal to, that is tan theta. So tan theta is equal to r sin theta by r cos theta. That means r sin theta by r cos theta is equal to what, a by b. Okay, so r cancel, that is the tan theta. So tan theta is equal to a by b. So tan theta is equal to a by b means theta is equal to tan inverse a by b. So a sin x, so a sin x plus b cos x is equal to what is a? A is equal to r sin theta into sin x plus b, b means what? R cos theta, r cos theta into cos x. So take it common r, here sin x into sin theta, sin x into sin theta plus cos x into cos theta. plus this is equal to cos x into cos theta. So this is r into sin a sin b plus cos a cos b. So this is the cos of a minus b, that is the x minus theta. So a sin x plus b cos x is equal to r into cos of x minus theta, and this is also a sin x plus b cos x is equal to r into sin of x plus theta. If we substitute a is equal to r cos theta and b is equal to r sin theta. तो कौन कहला पे जदि तुम a sin x plus b cos x sin रे कन्वर्ट करिवो, sin रे कन्वर्ट कले इट विल बी कौन हम r into sin of x plus theta. आउ एडी a डाउ नेबा r cos theta, b डाउ नेबा r sin theta. जदि तुम आपको cos रे कन्वर्ट करियो, इफ वी एक्सप्रेस a sin x plus b cos x is equal to r into cos of x minus theta, जदि cos रे कन्वर्ट करियो बोले एटा माइनस हो r into cos of x minus theta, because cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. एटा प्लस अछि माने एटा माइनस राशि नेचुरली. Here r is the root of a square plus b square and theta is equal to tan inverse a by b. But in case of conversion sin, here theta is tan inverse b by a. बुझियोले ना? What is the difference in term of a sin and in term of a cos? Again we say a sin x plus b cos x को जदि तुम sin रे कन्वर्ट करियो तुम लिखियो सेठी r into sin of x plus theta. r टा होची root over a square plus b square, theta होची tan inverse b by a. Remember tan inverse b by a. But here if we express in term of cos, it will be r into cos of x minus theta. Here r is the same root over a square plus b square, but theta is equal to tan inverse a by b. Okay. So you can express either sin or you can express a cos. But in case of a solution of the trigonometrical equation, remember you must convert a sin x plus b cos x into r into cos of x minus theta, because there is a formula easy to calculate in term of a cos. जदि सेटा cos रहियो माने फॉर्मूला इजी होबो, कैलकुलेशन करियाडा सॉल्यूशन बाहर करियाडा इजी होबो. नो डाउट sin रखिले फुल होबो बोली, sin रखिले you have also formula. This is also correct. You can express either sin or you can express either cos. But remember these things. This is r into sin of x plus theta and this is r into cos of x minus theta. Now we write this expression either sin or cos. So a sin x plus b cos x is equal to r into sin of x plus theta, where r is equal to root of a square plus b square and theta is equal to tan inverse b by a. What is a? The coefficient of sin x is equal to a and the coefficient of cos x is b. So बोले sin the coefficient a नबो, cos the coefficient b नबो. If we convert a sin x plus b cos x is in term of cos, this will be r into cos of x minus theta. R into cos of x minus theta. Here r is equal to root over a square plus b square and theta is equal to tan inverse a by b. Okay. So a sin x plus b cos x is equal to c. This will be r into cos of x minus theta is equal to c. That implies cos of x minus theta is equal to c by r. Then you can express cos of x minus theta is equal to cos alpha, and you apply the standard trigonometrical formula to find the required solution. For example, find the general solution root 3 sin x minus cos x. Root 3 sin x minus cos x is equal to 1. So how to find the general solution of root 3 sin x minus cos x equal to? So find the general solution of root 3 sin x minus cos x is equal to 1. Okay, so this trigonometrical equation of the form a sin x plus b cos x. Here c is equal to 1. So c must be less than root over a square plus b square. Here a is equal to root 3 and b is equal to minus 1. Answer. A is equal to root 3, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to this is 1. So what is r? R equal to root over a square plus b square. Okay. So this is root 3 into square 3 plus 1. So this is 3 plus 1 root 4 is equal to 2. Okay. And this is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. Okay. And theta is equal to what? Tan inverse A by B. So tan inverse theta is equal to tan inverse A by B, because we express A sin x minus B cos x in term of cos. So cos express करिया गोले हमें theta नेबा tan inverse A by B. So this is equal to tan inverse. What is A? A means root 3, B means minus 1. So this is equal to tan inverse minus root 3. So tan inverse minus root 3 माने tan रो को value minus root 3. So this is equal to okay 30 degree. So this is equal to 60 degree minus 60 degree. So this is equal to minus pi by 3. So minus pi by 3 minus 60 degree. That implies so this one is equal to root 3 sin x minus cos x is equal to r into cos of x minus theta. R into, because here x is there, so r into cos x minus theta. So what is theta? Theta is equal to minus pi by 3. So this is equal to r into cos of x minus theta. Theta means minus pi by 3. So minus pi by 3, this is the plus pi by 3 is equal to here c is equal to 1. Okay. So here we express root 3 sin x minus cos x is equal to r into cos of x minus theta. But theta is equal to minus pi by 3. So this is r into cos of x by x plus pi by 3 is equal to 1. That implies what is r? So r means this is equal to 2. So 1 by 2 into cos x plus pi by 3. X plus 60 is equal to 1. This is equal to, so this is equal to 1. Sorry, r is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. That implies cos x plus pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. And you can express cos theta is equal to cos alpha. So cos of x plus pi by 3 is equal to cos, this is a cos 60. You know cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is equal to cos pi by 3. So cos theta is equal to cos alpha. You know cos theta equal to cos alpha, its general solution. Here theta means pi by x plus pi by 3. So x plus pi by 3 is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha pi by 3. Because you know cos theta is equal to cos alpha, its general solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Here theta means x plus pi by 3, alpha means pi by 3. That implies x plus pi by 3 is equal to 6n plus or minus 1 into pi by 3, and x is equal to, that implies x is equal to 6n plus or minus pi by 3 minus pi by 3 comma n belongs to z set. Okay, this is the general solution of root 3 sin x minus cos x is equal to 1. Okay, so in case of general solution a sin x plus b cos x, first you convert a sin x plus b cos x into sin, that is r into sin of x minus theta. X minus theta, what is theta? Theta is a tan inverse a by b. Here theta is equal to minus pi by 3. So this will be r into cos of x plus pi by 3 is equal to 1. Then cos x plus pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Then you again use the trigonometrical formula cos theta is equal to cos alpha. So in this way you have to convert a cos x plus b sin x in term of cos, then you to find general solution. Okay, next. So next question, find the principal solution. In study material, question number 2, cos x plus sin x is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, how to find its principal solution? This equation is also of the form a sin x plus b cos x. Here a is 1, b is 1 and c is equal to 1 by root 2. So clearly 1 by root 2, c must be less than or equal to root over a square plus b square. So a square plus b square means root 2. Okay. So here 1 by root 2 must be less than root 2. Then its solution is possible. तो आपको हमें कौन करिए डी? Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. So r is equal to root 2 a square plus b square and theta is equal to tan inverse a by b because we convert into cos. तो आपको हमें cos रे convert करिया. So we can express r into cos of x minus theta. So this is equal to tan inverse a which is 1, b which is 1, tan inverse 1. So tan inverse 1 which is pi by 4 because tan 1 which is pi by 4, tan को value 1. This is the pi by 4. So its conversion r into cos of x minus theta is equal to 1 by root 2. R which is 1, root 2. So root 2 cos x theta. Theta means pi by 4. So this is equal to 1 by root 2. That is cos x minus pi by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is equal to cos 60 pi by 3. So cos theta equal to cos alpha means theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. So x minus pi by 4 is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Okay. So this is equal to x is equal to, that means but we ask actually principal solution. So principal solution means you have to calculate for n is equal to 0. For n is equal to 0, x minus pi by 4 is equal to here 0. So 0 means plus or minus pi by 3. Okay. So x is equal to हमें इटा plus लेना पड़ेगा pi by 3 plus pi by 4 उठा सिला minus pi by 3 minus pi by 4. Pi by 4 टा सेपरेट ले ऐड है pi by 4 pi by 3 plus pi by 4 उठे आउटे minus pi by 3 plus pi by 4. So this is equal to pi by 3. Okay, pi by 3 होची तमरो 60. Here this is equal to 60 degree plus 45 degree. So this is equal to 105 degree. And this is equal to minus 60 degree plus 45 degree. So this is equal to minus 15 degree. But minus 15 degree is not present in 0 to 360 degree. If we put n is equal to 1, what we get? So x minus pi by 4. So this is equal to 2 pi plus or minus pi by 3. So x minus pi by 4 is equal to 2 pi plus pi by 3 गोटे आसियो आउटे कोन होचे 2 pi minus pi by 3. Okay, so x is equal to 2 pi plus pi by 3 plus pi by 4. This is not count because which is greater than 2 pi. So 8 पकले कौन होची एक्स्ट्रा 8 pi by 4 ऐड कर ले 2 pi minus pi by 3 plus pi by 4 ना नहीं. So this is equal to 2 pi means 360 degree. Here minus pi by 3 plus pi by 4. So this is minus 15 degree. Minus 15 degree. So 360 minus 15 degree means this is equal to 345 degree. 345 degree. Okay. So 345 degree. That is equal to, we calculate this is equal to LCM is what? 12. LCM होचे 12. So 12 pi minus 2 pi, this is equal to 12 into 2, 24 pi minus 3, 8 minus 3, 3, 4. So this is minus 4 pi plus 3 pi. So this is 24 pi minus pi. 24 pi minus pi means this is 23 pi. 23 pi by 12. Okay. 23 pi by 12. And this is equal to LCM होची 12. Here this is equal to 4 pi plus 3 pi, and this is equal to 7 pi by 12. 7 pi by 12. Okay. For n is equal to 2, what happen? X minus pi by 4 is equal to 2 pi plus or minus pi by 3. So 2 pi plus or minus pi by 3 means 2 pi. So if we put n is equal to 2, then x minus pi by 4 is equal to what? n jar hame 2 पकेले एडी पकेबा. So n jar 2 पकेले कोन होची? 2 pi into 2. So this is the 4 pi. 4 pi plus or minus pi by 3. So x is equal to 4 pi plus or minus pi by 3 plus pi by 4. So pi by 4 4 pi plus pi by 3 plus pi by 4, which is greater than 360 degree. 4 pi minus pi by 3 plus pi by 4, which is also greater than 360 degree. So जेहेतु ये 2 पकड़ले दीटा का वैल्यू कौन होची? 360 ग्रेटर होची. So what are the principal solution? The principal solution is 7 pi by 12, then 23 pi by 12. Therefore principal solution are 7 pi by 12 and 23 pi by 12. Okay, these are the principal solution. So you can do all the next problem of question number 2. In next class we do some other problem. Okay, thank you.